I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Angry Birds on piano easily. We will begin by finding the main theme's first few notes. Start with your right hand, focusing on the C major scale. The melody begins with a simple pattern, often using just 3 or 4 notes. Practice these initial notes slowly, ensuring each one sounds clear and distinct. This foundational step is crucial for building your confidence and accuracy. Now let's add your left hand to create a fuller sound. We will use simple 2-note chords. For instance, a C and G chord can beautifully complement the right hand melody. Begin by practicing the left hand chords separately until they feel comfortable. Then, slowly synchronize both hands, playing at a very deliberate pace. This step adds depth and harmony, making your rendition sound much richer and more complete. To truly capture the essence of the Angry Birds theme, focus on rhythm and expression. Practice the rhythm slowly, aiming to match the original song's feel. Experiment with varying your volume. Playing some notes louder and others softer adds a dynamic quality. Counting out loud can help you maintain a steady tempo and keep both hands in sync. These elements bring the music to life, making it more engaging. Consistent practice is key to mastering this piece. Break the song into small, manageable sections, perhaps 2 or 3 measures at a time. Practice each section 10 to 15 times until it feels natural. Gradually combine these sections, always maintaining a slow and steady pace. Soon, you will be able to play the entire Angry Birds theme with confidence and enjoyment, impressing your friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.